guys, good afternoon. It's Nate. Welcome to a little vlog. I actually never start my vlogs off in the afternoon. It's already like 3:30, but today I thought, why not? I haven't vlogged in a while, so we're doing it. I wanted to show you guys my workstation, my work from home setup, because I did kind of clean it up a while ago, so I want to give you a tour. This is it. This is my little corner in our living room, and it looks like I love myself because that's my grad photo, and that's my sister. That's also my sister. It's random, okay? This was just there before this was here, so I'm just gonna go with it. But yeah, this is my little corner. It's actually kind of messy below the table, so I'm just gonna show you. Yes, this is a very old desk that we have. It's like one of those monoblock type of tables that I feel like a lot of households have because it's just a staple. And I have so much cute little prints. I get questions asking where I get them. These are like from Common Room. This one, I think it's from, like when I travel, I like to go to like little fairs or like art little markets. That's from Sydney, I think. This moon print and this one is from my friend's little print store, Soleil Lune. I don't think I'm saying it right. And then this one's from Japan. It's like a little postcard, or is it? Yeah, it's a little postcard thing. And I thought that the theme went well with the moon, so that's my little wall that I like looking at. This is kind of messy, but I do have like little organization thingies for like random compartments. It looks like it's struggling, but I was really trying to like just use things that we already have at home and not like buy anything. So these containers are like from Daiso. These ones are from Daiso. This one's from a department store, I forget. And yeah, I just have random things. This is a nice little flower, my laptop situation, my mouse pad, my mouse, and my stuffy. They all match. A nice framed photo of Dolan to keep me inspired by. This is a makeup container that I just put pens. And I have a coaster, a notepad. This is a charger. Yeah, that's it. I just really wanted to show you that, to be honest. The weather today has been crazy. Like, it keeps raining and then stopping. But right now, I want to unbox or untote the contents from this little Pond's tote bayong thing that I got from Watson's, because Pond's is on sale right now on Watson's. You can get up to 50% off on some of their products, and you can get additional 10% off with this specific code, so be sure to check them out right now on the Watson's website. And the sale ends on July 19th, so if you see anything that you like in this haul, then you gotta cop. So the first thing that I'm like the most excited about is the cleansing balm. I really love double cleansing, so cleansing balms are like my favorite. They're my jam. To see that Pond's has a product like that is very exciting because they just make skincare very fun, affordable, and accessible. Speaking of cleansing, I actually didn't know that Pond's carries a lot of different micellar water variants. So this is really cool because just soaking a cotton pad with micellar water and putting it on your skin, you know, really makes sure that you are getting all of your makeup off of your face. So they have the brightening rose one in their iconic pink color, detoxing charcoal, and nourishing milk, and I'm very excited to share this, of course, with my mom because no way can I finish all of this. I think the most iconic for me personally product from Pond's definitely are the face washes, because I just remember like in high school I would have it in my bag for whenever I feel too oily, like especially in the afternoons. And I just appreciate how their packaging has changed. Like, it's so cute. They also have a line called White Beauty, but it's really for brightening the skin and not necessarily like whitening boom, you know. So this line really helps with acne scars and like just fading them away. I know that I like underneath my makeup, you guys can't see, but I do have like acne scars, so this can really help with that. And then for our moms or titas or for us in the future, they also have this Age Miracle line. here are some of the products. And the main active ingredient of this line is retinol, which is very good for diminishing fine lines and wrinkles, which is like a natural thing that we are all going to experience, but it'll just help you ease into the aging process, I guess, and like just aging gracefully. So yeah, we like taking care of our skin, we like pampering our skin, so this is good. I'm super duper like excited about all of these new Pond's products, and I'm very grateful that they sent me these items. Again, I want to let you know that all of these things are available on the Watsons website, and yeah, right now they're having a sale. I wrote down the recipe. So the first thing we're gonna do is melt the butter. We have the scale. It's actually my first time using a scale to measure out the ingredients, so I was super duper excited to weigh everything. It's very satisfying actually. Today's cookies are supposed to be a bit crispier, so we are going to be using melted butter. I used a recipe from Sally's Baking Addiction, and I'm going to link it down below in the description box. Not gonna lie, I pretty much failed because the cookies ended up being soft and chewy in the end, and they're a little bit, not a little bit, they were way too sweet for my taste, so I think I have to dip them in milk or something to kind of balance off the flavor. Yeah, I even like lessened the amount of sugar required from the recipe, but yeah, they still ended up being really sweet, and I think it's because it asks for 3 different sugar or sweet sources. So there's brown sugar, white sugar, and corn syrup or honey, and I used corn syrup. I think it's the corn syrup that makes it super duper duper sweet, but I mean they're still good. But Sally's Baking Addiction, the website, does have a chewy cookie recipe that I love and have always used, so I kind of regret using a new recipe, but I'll also link my favorite cookie recipe from her down below in case you want to try out or if you want to bake cookies yourself. I love baking because I really like the notion of following instructions. I think it's amazing. I mean, I don't follow everything to a T. I kind of play around with it still, but I just like, I guess, you know, when you're stressed out or something, it's very stress relieving to just follow something written out and yeah, just go through the whole baking process, mixing, measuring, forming the doughs into balls. It's one of my favorite things to do. So if you've never tried baking ever in your life, I really encourage you to do so. Like, it's not that difficult at all. It might not taste the way you want it to taste or the way that your favorite cookies ever that you purchase taste like, because you know those recipes have been perfected, have been practiced on for a lot of different tries. So don't beat yourself up when your first try you might not necessarily achieve what you're looking for. You know, like me, like I didn't really achieve the type of cookie that I want today, but it's still the process, you know, and it's learning and it's fun. So yeah, don't be too hard on yourself. Let us try this tiny small one. Boom. It's still like super hot, but it's very crispy on the outside. Yeah, it's very chocolatey. I think they're okay. Hi guys, I'm going on my nightly walk. Okay, it's not really nightly, it depends on the weather, but I've been trying to walk outside more because I just don't go outside. It's actually really nice tonight because usually, sorry, there are dogs. Usually it's like super dark out. Usually it's super dark out because we eat later, but today we ate kind of early. So look at the sky. Wait, let me show. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. I love pink skies. Whilst I walk around, I usually listen to like a podcast. So I have my headphones. I'm gonna listen to Serial. That is what I'm listening to right now. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk a couple rounds. I usually check the health app for the steps. And I don't really do a lot, around like 3,000 to 4,000 steps. Like that's enough for me. It takes usually like 20 minutes because I kind of just go slow, and it's really just for the purpose of walking. So yeah.